to my channel. So today's video is my updated DNA ancestry results, and I've already had a look at them because I got them like 3 months ago, and I asked you on Instagram, do you want to see a video? And you were like, yes. And I'm sorry, this is just me recording it now. So I have seen the results, and I'm actually really happy because it's way clearer than the other video. I'll link the other one if you want to watch it, because I actually read the breakdown of the different countries, cultures that umbrella my ethnicity. So you can check that out in the description box below, and I'll put it in a card at the top here. Okay, but before we go any further, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, comment underneath, you know that good stuff. Comment underneath if you've done the DNA test, what's your results, or if you want to find out your results, what are your guesses to your ethnicity. And also follow me on social media. I have got Instagram, I have got Twitter, and I just made a TikTok. You know, isolation days, got TikTok for that. So go follow me on those. All the links will be on the screen and in the description box below. Okay, let's go into my results. Okay, I got the email and then saying that there's been an update on my ethnicity. So I was like, oh, I hope it's more accurate, because my previous one was the whole of South Asia. I got the whole of South Asia. That was like so general, it was ridiculous. But let's see the breakdown. Oh, there it is. All right, we can see now we have a better breakdown. I have got northwestern India 52%. Okay, so this makes sense because my dad is Indian. Makes sense. My mom is Pakistani, and like I said in my previous video, she was told that from her mother that they have got Afghan in them. My mum's not really in connection with her cousins from Pakistan, so we don't really know much about that side of the family, unfortunately. So this is Afghanistan and Pakistan, so Central Asia, South. So I am definitely still South Asian. I didn't expect for me to have like a random mix of like Mexican or something, obviously not, but I just wanted to find out more about the Afghan side. Was it true? Was it just like, you know, like a family myth? You know, like you get some family members like, oh yeah, part of this, part of that. And then when you do the DNA test, you find out you're not. It's just like old wives' tale. So I wanted to like confirm that I had Afghan in me, and I'm really proud of that, you know, because it's a country that I don't know a lot about. I only know a little bit about it. Obviously there's the war that goes on in there, which is horrible. I know that stuff. I know that the clothes are very beautiful. I know about the split between the two ethnicities that live in Afghanistan. This doesn't actually give me a breakdown of which specific Afghan I am, but it doesn't really matter because I think they're both equal, even if they're treated differently in that country, but they are very equal. So let's have a look. Between the foothills of the Himalayas and the Arabian Sea lies our Central Asia South region, which includes much of Pakistan and Afghanistan. And important crossroads for ancient civilizations, the Silk Roads, Khyber Pass, our Khyber Pass is located in the Afghanistan and Pakistani border. Oh, I didn't know that. The region's modern day culture was shaped by Arabic Persian civilizations who arrived approximately 1,000 years ago. Beginning its rich literary heritage, today is an ethnically and linguistically diverse region that includes Punjabi, Pashtun, Tajik and other peoples. However, many of its inhabitants share the practice of Islam, strong kinship ties and strong sense of familial honor. That'd be true, that'd be true. So yeah, that's that. And then my India is, I think, literally, oh, it's actually got some new information. This wasn't on my last video. From the peaks of the Himalayas to the beaches of Goa, our northern western India region spans much of the Indian subcontinent. This region was the site of the Indus Valley civilization that began 3,000 years ago. That was in my last video. Followed by the number of empires and migrations that contributed to India's modern day mix of cultures. Although Hindus form a religious majority, this region is also home to Muslims, Sikhs, Parsis and Jains, and is also known as a host of cultural contributions ranging from Bollywood films to chai. I was a bit cringe in it. Neither of my parents have been back to Pakistan or India because they're born in East Africa, as you know. My mum has been to Kenya multiple times, my dad's been to Tanzania multiple times. Me and my sister have been there twice, and we want to go again. But I really would have liked to know where specifically. I mean, I know it's DNA is like your DNA. I think you have to go back into your history, family's history, to find out cities, villages and stuff like that. So I really need to find out, really need to do some research before all the people I can ask have passed away. Most of them have, to be honest. I need to do some digging in my family history. I really want to go onto that show, Who Do You Think You Are? Hey, who do you think you are? Put me on the show, please. I want to know where I'm from. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. But I didn't want to make this video too long because my other one is longer and it goes in more depth, so you can watch that one. Just want this one to be a bit more quick and just so you know my new heritage. So I'm Afghan, Pakistani and Indian. Wow, cool. South Asian, but more specific. I knew that was going to be it, but I'm glad like it's been confirmed that that is who I is. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my socials and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.